Self-care is often thought of as something that's nice to do, but not always necessary. This couldn't be further from the truth. Self-care is an essential part of maintaining mental and physical health, especially in today's hectic world. Taking time to nurture yourself helps you to cope with stress, reduce anxiety, and boost your overall well-being. In this video, we'll discuss the importance of self-care and how to incorporate it into your daily routine. Defining self-care. Self-care is a term that is thrown around a lot these days, but what does it really mean? Self-care is the practice of taking action to preserve or improve one's health, both physically and mentally. It includes any activity that helps you feel relaxed, recharged, and ready to take on whatever the day may bring. It's easy to get caught up in life stressors and forget to take care of ourselves, so it's important to prioritize self-care. Self-care can help to reduce stress, boost energy levels, improve your mood, and enhance overall well-being. For some, self-care may mean taking a bubble bath and reading a book. For others, it might be going for a walk and listening to music. Whatever activities you choose to do for yourself, it's important to be mindful about how you are feeling before, during, and after each activity. By listening to your body and mind, you can identify what works for you and make sure that you are taking the best care of yourself possible. By practicing self-care regularly, you can help ensure that you are feeling your best so that you can show up and do your best each day. Why is self-care important? Self-care is an important part of maintaining mental and physical health. It helps you stay in tune with your body, recognize any problems, and address them accordingly. Taking time for yourself can also help you to relax and be more mindful of the world around you. It's essential for maintaining balance in life. When you practice self-care, it can help reduce stress levels and give you a sense of control over your own well-being. Research shows that taking time for yourself and your needs can lead to improved mental health, better sleep quality, and an overall boost in mood. It's easy to forget to practice self-care when you're busy or feeling overwhelmed. But by making it a part of your daily routine, you can ensure that you always prioritize taking care of yourself. Types of self-care. Taking the time to practice self-care can help to reduce stress, improve your mood, and increase overall happiness. There are many different types of self-care activities that you can do on a daily basis. Some examples include 1. Exercise. Taking time to exercise every day can help you to keep your body in shape and improve your mood. You don't have to hit the gym every day. Any type of movement or activity can count as exercise. A simple walk around your neighborhood or a yoga session in your living room can both be great forms of self-care. 2. Journaling. Writing down your thoughts and feelings can be a great way to process emotions and better understand yourself. Even if you don't feel like writing much, taking the time to jot down a few sentences each day can be beneficial. 3. Spending time with nature. Getting outside in nature can help you to relax and connect with yourself. Whether it's going for a walk in the park or simply sitting in your backyard, taking the time to enjoy the beauty of nature can be a great form of self-care. 4. Indulging in hobbies. Taking the time to engage in hobbies that make you happy can help to reduce stress and boost your mood. Whether it's painting, reading, gardening, or anything else that you enjoy, carving out some time for yourself to engage in your favorite activities can be an important part of self-care. 5. Eating healthy. Taking the time to nourish your body with healthy foods can help to boost your mood and energy levels. Making small changes like incorporating more fruits and vegetables into your diet can make a big difference in how you feel. Taking the time for yourself to do things that make you feel happy, relaxed, and energized can help you to lead a healthier and more fulfilling life. How to make time for self-care. It's important to make time for yourself, no matter how busy your life may be. Making time for self-care doesn't have to take up hours of your day. Even a few minutes each day can make a huge difference. Here are some tips to help you incorporate self-care into your daily routine. 1. Wake up earlier. Waking up a bit earlier than usual can give you the time you need to practice some self-care before your day starts. This can include things like journaling, reading, or doing some yoga stretches. 2. Make time during the day. Make sure you carve out at least 10 minutes of your day to focus on yourself. This can be as simple as going for a walk or taking a quick break to meditate or stretch. 3. Schedule time for yourself at night. Instead of scrolling through your phone or watching TV, try to spend some time doing something that nourishes you. This can include writing, listening to music, or spending quality time with loved ones. By making small changes to your daily routine, you can easily incorporate self-care into your life and start to reap the benefits it has to offer. Tips for fitting self-care into your day. We all know that taking care of ourselves is important, but it can be hard to find the time and energy for self-care when we're busy with work, family, and other responsibilities. Fortunately, there are small, simple steps that you can take to incorporate self-care into your daily routine. Here are a few tips to get started. 1. Make time for yourself. Start by carving out at least 10 minutes of your day to do something that makes you feel good. That could mean reading a book, going for a walk, or playing with your pet. The important thing is to focus on activities that bring you joy and relaxation. 2. Nourish your body. Eating nutritious meals and snacks throughout the day can help keep your energy levels up and reduce stress. Be sure to include plenty of fruits, vegetables, whole grains, and lean proteins in your diet. 3. Unplug. Technology can be a great source of distraction and entertainment, but it can also be mentally exhausting if we use it too much. Try to limit the amount of time you spend on screens, especially before bedtime. 4. Get enough sleep. Quality sleep is essential for maintaining good physical and mental health. Aim for at least 7 to 8 hours of sleep each night. 5. Practice mindfulness. Mindfulness is all about being aware of the present moment and focusing on our thoughts, feelings, and senses without judgment. Taking a few minutes every day to meditate or practice yoga can help reduce stress and increase inner peace. By incorporating these tips into your daily routine, you'll be well on your way to achieving better overall well-being. Self-care is an important part of living a healthy, balanced life, so make sure to take care of yourself. The benefits of self-care. Self-care is an important part of living a healthy and balanced life. It is essential for maintaining mental and physical health, as well as providing emotional resilience during difficult times. It is a way to nurture your body and mind, both of which play a key role in overall well-being. When practiced regularly, self-care can help to reduce stress and anxiety, improve relationships, boost productivity, and enhance creativity. It can also provide an opportunity to take time out of the day to reflect on life, practice gratitude, and appreciate the small moments that make up our days. In addition to its mental and emotional benefits, self-care has physical benefits as well. Taking care of yourself can help you to maintain good sleep hygiene, eat nutritious meals, get regular exercise, and practice mindfulness. All of these things are important for reducing the risk of chronic illness, improving your energy levels, and helping you feel your best. At its core, self-care is about making yourself a priority and taking the time to nurture your physical and mental health. It may take some trial and error to figure out which self-care practices work best for you, but it's worth the effort. Incorporating self-care into your daily routine can have a powerful impact on your life in the long run.